This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 51 of Building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, I am going to be continuing what we've been doing before, the interior panel. We did the gear stick and that before. We're building up the sides of that and then fitting the pedals with some switches. Obviously, it's going to have two switches for the brake and the accelerator by the looks of it. So, yeah, interesting. These are, again, slightly carpeted on the inside, and that is going to go on that side, like so. The other one goes on the other side. We've got two different types of screw to hold that in place. We've got the 05 screws, which we're going to be using for everything else. Two of those will go in on each side, and we've got the 08 screws, one of which will go in on each side. So let me just get one of those out for now. That one goes down on the interior piece here. That goes that way round, no, that way round, that way round. We've got the two down here, the one at the top there. That one goes through there. The other two. Hold that side in place. Get these in. And we'll make sure it all holds together nicely. There we go. That bit isn't. About there. There we go. So that's that. I shall get the other side attached in a moment, and then we'll come back and see about fitting the switches and the pedals. So there we go. That's the sides attached. We've got two switches fit into this little bracket. They go either side, picking up like that. Now they're not really going to hold in on their own as yet. Let's just get them in place like that. And then they need to come through these two holes here. And there's a little hook at the bottom that bottom of that goes into, and then a single screw holds it in from the top. Although, should I be doing that yet, or should I be doing the pedals first? It says to do the pedals first, so let's do the pedals first. The pedals go on nice and easy, just over the top like that. That's not difficult to do. Two screws hold that in place. Notice there is another hole. Oh no, it's a post that has locked that in place there. Okay. There's that. I need to tighten those up, but we've got the pedals, of which these two are going to basically go through the holes there. There's a little post coming out. Both of those. Let's get that lined up properly. And that one's not quite lining up with where it should be. Might need to loosen that screw to adjust that a little bit. Nope, there we go. There you go. So that's that. Then this needs to go through there, but again, I've got to hold them in place while I get the bottom bit hooked on over there. Then that should go in there, and that should be there, and they are in place like so. I'm just gonna, yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but that's proving that that's working. So let's get that screw in there. Yeah, I will when I get that back over hooked on again. I was pushing it in the wrong direction. That's got to go downwards that way. No. Flipping that over there. That over there. That is then lined up there. There we go. That should be it. Try them again. No, that one's not working. Right, I'm going to have to adjust and play around with that. Get that hooked on and lined up properly. Get out there. Yeah, I shall get that twiddled and screwed in place. I need more fingers. And then we'll see how it looks when it's done. Right, there we have it. All attached. A little bit tricky getting it together while having the wires there, but happy that it's in there now. Nice and secure. The switches still engage when you push them, so we've got probably a brake lights and, I don't know, gas noises, accelerator noises, I don't know. We'll find out when we get the plugs plugged in. So that is that. I have in fact just noticed that they are in fact labelled 3 and 4. I don't know if I've got that the right way round, but apart from the labelling, the plugs are identical, so I shall have to check if I've got them the right way around. I don't think I'll bother changing them. I just try and remember which one's which. Yeah, E and F they're labelled, but I'm assuming yeah, it doesn't. Oh, it does say labelled 04. E is labelled 04, and E. Let's have a look on here. F is the one that's going on that side. F is going off to the left there, which is the one that I've got labelled 03, which is correct, I believe. E is labelled 04, F is 03. F is going off that way, and that's 03. So yes, by chance, I got it right. It was 50-50, but there we go. So yeah, I've got them the right way around, so the brake and the accelerator are wired up correctly. And that is that for this issue, which were 51. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Join me soon for 52, which is probably the shortest of all of them, so I shall be having a look through the magazine next time. So thank you very much. I'll see you soon for that. Bye bye for now.